Everyone, I am Varun Kumar. Now we are going to discuss test formatting, and we discussed it earlier, but we are going to discuss more test formatting. And in this, we are going to discuss superscript, subscript, highlighting the test. We are now going to discuss superscript and subscript. You can set a text character set slightly above or below the normal line of types. If we are slightly above typing the character, then it is called as superscript, and if we are typing below the normal line, then it is called as subscript. As you can see in this example, if we have to write down H2O, then we know that we have to write down 2 below the line of H and O. Similarly, in a superscript, in registered trademark, and in last there is a R in a circle. We have to write it in the upper part of the line, and that is called as the superscript. Keyboard shortcuts apply superscript or subscript. To make text appear slightly above or below your regular text, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Select the character that you want to format. For superscript, press Ctrl Shift and the plus sign at the same time. For subscript, press Ctrl and the equal sign at the same time. Do not press Shift in case of subscript. Apply superscript or subscript formatting to text. Select the character that you want to format as superscript or subscript. On the Home tab, in the Font group, pick the Font dialog box launcher. As you can see in this figure, in the Home group, we have to click on the pink square box. When we click on that, on the Font tab under Effect, select the superscript or subscript checkbox. As you can see in this figure, in the lower figure we see that there is a cursor pointing the subscript and superscript. Highlighting the text. Word contains many highlighters to make your text pop off the screen, just as if you were highlighting paper with a fluorescent marker. You can select text or an image and then highlight it, or use the highlighting tool to mark different part of a document. You can also remove highlighting or quickly find highlighted item in your documents. Highlight selected text. Select the text that you want to highlight. Next, go to Home and select the arrow next to Text Highlight Color. As you can see in this figure, in Home tab, we see a AB with a brush type structure. When we click on that, there is a lots of more color is shown in the figure, and we have to select the color that you want. Highlight multiple part of a document. Go to Home and select the arrow next to Text Highlight Color. The Text Highlight Color option are shown on the Home tab. Select the color you want. The Text Highlight Color button display the selected color, and the mouse pointer become a highlighted pointer icon when you point to the area of your document that contain text. As you can see in this figure, we can select any one highlighted color for our font. Select the text or graphic that you want to highlight. To stop highlighting, select the arrow next to Text Highlight Color button image and select Stop Highlighting or press Escape. The mouse pointer become a I-beam mouse pointer when you point to your document. Remove highlighting from part or all of a document. Select the text that you want to remove highlighting from, or press Ctrl plus A to select all of the text. Go to Home and select the arrow next to Text Highlight Color. Select No Color. When we select No Color, then the highlighting from all the part of document will be removed.